फर्स्ट ग्लोबल चॅलेंज रोबोटिक्स चॅम्पियनशीप 2023 पहिलेच फावट गोयच्या विद्यार्थ्यांची निवड झाल्या. या विद्यार्थ्यांमध्ये अपूर्वा काटकर, अथर्व साखळकर, साई प्रणव गांधी, विराज मराठे, व्यंकटेश देंपो या 5 विद्यार्थ्यांचो आस्पाव असा. ही सर्त 7 ते 10 ऑक्टोबर महिन्यात सिंगापूर जातली. रिन्युएबल एनर्जीचो उपेग कसो करप या विशयाचेर ही रोबोटिक्स सर्त जातली.
Now, we are planning to launch a coffee table book on the topic of robotics education. The content that our coffee table book will be covering are why robotics education in schools and about Team India at FGC. And this coffee table book will be gifted to eminent personalities.
Now, since we are participating in an international robotics competition and we also want to execute numerous projects of ours, that's why we have an estimated budget of 30 lakhs. I'll describe the major points to you. So the first major expense is the Singapore travel and even the visa and insurance, which will for 7 people. Then we also have a playfield setup, which as I mentioned, it was very big, around 5 to 6 meters. For that also we need our money. Then we also have the coffee table book, which as my teammate spoke about. And finally, we have the registration fees, which includes the robot kit and even our stay at Singapore for 7 people. Now, we need some support. So, we need, first of all, we need support from the government and corporates, and we also need funding from the crowds and parents and individuals.
In fact, this team, probably in my best of understanding, they are first time going for any world championship of this level. See, this is a very unique competition. So they are hardly towards similar competition where the participation is more than probably 90% or 70% of the world. See, there are many competitions which happens, but of this level, there are very few.